welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I'm really excited about this video because I feel like it's super simple. I think sometimes like I do some stuff that's a little complicated, and especially when I'm doing my little soup series, I feel like soup should be like a dump and go type of thing. And also, like, I know people be busy, y'all got work, y'all got lives, y'all got families, da da da. So I made a thing that I used to have as a staple. I feel like I haven't made it in a minute. I was like, oh, I gotta make this more often. But this like wonton soup is something like I want something hot and something warm at the end of the day, and I don't want to do more than like 10 minutes. So, well, it takes long. Anyway, if you want to see how I made a vegan wonton soup, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this really is like a dump and go type of soup. Like, I feel like when I make this like on an everyday basis or whatever, I don't make it every day. What am I talking about? But like when I make this, usually, there we go, I know words. This probably takes me like 20 minutes, and that I'll like make the broth and like I'll go like do something else, and then I'll come back and I'll add my wontons in last. For the sake of this recipe, I did the broth for like 30 to 45 minutes because I wanted the flavors to develop, but this is definitely like a 20-minute type of joint, you know what I'm saying? So into this pot, I have 6 cups of water. I put green onion, ginger, garlic, there's something there, aromatics, some low sodium soy sauce because I prefer it, but you know, do what you want to do, and some sesame oil. I let that simmer for like 30 minutes. I don't know, I was doing something else, and I came back to it. This is like the last 5 minutes, maybe even 3 minutes. I'm going to add these wontons. I like maybe dumplings, wontons. Why I call them wontons? Either way, I added these like last 3 minutes because you don't want them to get too big and soft and they will just expand and whatever. And I also like to add these tofus from the Asian market. I love these so much. To me, they're really versatile. I put them in pad thai, I put them in soup, and they just soak up everything. They're so freaking good. I just let this go for like, I would say like another 3 or 5 minutes. You don't want to be doing longer than that. They will fall apart. One of them did fall apart, as you can see. Like, I didn't add nothing like no behind the scenes or whatever like that. Why'd I call them wontons? They are definitely dumplings. I'm not going back and doing this though, so y'all forgive me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up. You see, I kind of did them a little bit too long. What y'all finna do? Jump me? Like, hello? And I'm gonna add some, you know, little toppings. So I'm gonna do some chili oil. I'm gonna get some bean sprouts, some cilantro, and some green onions. And what's really cool about this soup is you really could put whatever you want in it. Like, I really thought about putting some ramen noodles. I have some vegan ramen noodles in the pantry. I thought about putting that in. You could do like, I get these pancit. That's how you say it, pancit noodles from the Asian market. You could put those in. You could put like a little, you could really put anything you want. Some mushroom, I have mushrooms. Hello. You could put mushrooms in. You could put carrots if you like a cooked carrot. Literally anything. And I feel like it would also be good because the soup is very thin. If you like had a little bowl of rice and you dip, I'm doing that tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. But anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this. You have to try this. So simple and so good. And it makes you feel like you really like made something like gourmet on a Thursday night. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because I have no videos. I'm doing a little soup series right now. Let me know what soup you want to make. And if you're not a soup girl, you tired of soups, let me know what you want to make. You know, I'll hook you up. You know, we got Thanksgiving coming around the corner. Let me know. Okay, I got Thanksgiving stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.